transfer case is pretty straightforward. We have a drain plug and a fill plug. Let's crack our fill plug first, just to make sure we can refill it. It's a 10mm Allen. Make sure it's in there all the way. Not too bad. And we'll come down, crack our drain plug. Now, if you have any dirt in any of these plugs, you could take a little screwdriver or a pick and just pick out any of that dirt. We want our Allen to go all the way in. I'll crack it loose. Nice. So let's go ahead, we'll pull our fill off all the way. Get our catch pan. There may be some that dribbles out. None came out. Now we'll get this one. Now this might shoot out quite a bit, so just be ready with your catch pan. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. Now we'll just let that drain all the way down. There, that's good and drained. Now what I like to do, this isn't 100% necessary, but a lot of times there's some old thread sealant on our plugs. I like taking a little pick, just cleaning out that thread sealant and applying a little bit of plumber's tape. So we'll just put it on. Doesn't take a whole lot, just a few wraps. We'll put on our drain plug. Tighten this down. We'll throw the torque spec on the screen. Peel off any of this extra stuff on the outside. There we go. Let me show you my fill setup. The fluid we want is ATF4, and I'm just using a little fluid pump. Let's pump away. We'll put in our hose, and we're gonna pump away until fluid starts dribbling out of our fill hole. It'll be about 1.5, 2 quarts, depending on your transfer case. All right, starting to dribble out. Just give it a few more pumps. There we go. Make sure your catch pan's underneath. I put tape on the threads ahead of time. We'll go ahead, put this in. Tighten this down. All right, just peel off this little bit of tape. There we go. Wipe it down. Nice, and we're done. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description for all the parts and tools used. If you have any questions, comment, post down below. Work safe, have fun. See you on the next one.